In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro dark pool data. Dark pools are private venues where large orders trade away from public exchanges. Watching that activity can help you spot where bigger players might be positioning. To make the feed actionable, we're going to narrow it down with a few focused filters so the signal stands out from the noise. Inside the dark pool data tool, start by setting the type filter to stocks only. This keeps your view clean, excluding ETFs and other instruments that can dilute the relevance of each print. Stocks-only filtering makes it easier to connect unusual off-exchange activity to a single company's price action. Next, set the price filter to show tickers between $1 and $50. This range tends to capture names that are affordable, liquid, and capable of meaningful percentage moves, which is ideal for day trades and short-term swings. You're balancing volatility and tradability here. High enough to move, low enough to size positions sensibly. Now, raise the bar for activity by applying a minimum volume filter of at least 500,000 shares and consider pushing that to 1 million or more when markets are especially busy. This ensures you're focusing on stocks with ample participation and tighter spreads. Higher baseline volume makes any unusual dark pool prints more significant relative to what's typical for that ticker. Add the relative volume, or RVOL, filter at 2.0 or higher. RVL compares current volume to the stock's average, so a reading of 2 means activity is roughly double normal levels. Combining RVOL with dark pool prints helps you separate routine transactions from sessions where interest is clearly elevated. Elevated RVOL often accompanies catalysts, momentum, or shifts in sentiment. Finally, set the float filter to under 50 million shares, with a preference for under 20 million when you want sharper, faster moves. Float represents the shares available to trade. The lower the float, the easier it is for concentrated buying or selling to move price. This can amplify the impact of large off-exchange prints, but it also increases risk, so interpret moves carefully. With these filters applied, you'll surface stocks where dark pool activity is more likely to matter. Tradable prices, real liquidity, above-average participation, and a share structure that can move. Use the prints as context, paying attention to repeated activity around specific price zones and the overall intensity versus that ticker's norm. Remember, dark pool data is a powerful complement, not a standalone signal. Combine what you see here with your usual analysis to make informed, disciplined decisions.